The Tottenham Outrage of 23 January 1909 was an armed robbery in Tottenham, North London, that resulted in a 2-hour chase between the police and armed criminals over a distance of 6 miles, with an estimated 400 rounds of ammunition fired by the thieves. The robbery of workers' wages from the Schnurmann rubber factory was carried out by Paul Helfeld and Jacob Lepidus, Jewish Latvian immigrants. Of the 23 casualties, 2 were fatal and several others serious, among them 7 policemen. The 2 thieves committed suicide at the end of the pursuit. Helfeld and Lepidus were members of the Latvian Socialist Party responsible for smuggling revolutionary literature into Russia. Both had been living with Lepidus's brother Paul in Paris in 1907, when Paul was killed by the premature detonation of the bomb he was carrying to assassinate the President of France, Armand Fallières. They fled France to North London, where they became members of a small group of Latvian agitators. For some time before the robbery, Helfeld was employed at the Schnurmann factory. The bravery of the police during the chase led to the creation of the King's Police Medal, which was awarded to several of those involved in the pursuit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.